Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the story about Even Steven and Odd Todd. They're fun guys, right? I hope you like that story. But we read that in order to teach you a little more about even and odd numbers. So I made this poster to help you with your activities today. This is our friend Even Steven. Notice the numbers that are surrounding Even Steven. They're those numbers that you can get by counting by twos. And you can start at 0, of course, but 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Those digits are digits that tell you the number is even. Then we have our friend Odd Todd. And Odd Todd has the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Those digits tell you that it's odd. Okay? With even numbers, everyone has a buddy. So even if you're not sure whether a number is even or odd, you can always draw it and circle the pairs of 2 and make sure everybody has a buddy. If it's an odd number, someone's going to be left out. Check out those numbers. So here, everybody has a partner. Here, somebody is left out. Okay? When you are looking at bigger numbers, bigger than 8, 2-digit, 3-digit numbers, you only have to look in the ones place to tell if it's even or odd. Let me show you a little example. Let's say the number is 23. And you're wondering, how do I know if that number is even or odd? You go to the ones place, which is the last digit. Just look at that digit, that number, the last one, the ones place, and determine, well, 3 is a odd number. That means the whole number is odd. Okay? So it doesn't matter if all the numbers in front of it are even. If that last digit is odd, the whole number is odd. Let's see it work with a bigger number. Watch this. What if we did 156? Now if I look, some of these digits I can tell are already odd. But remember, we're only paying attention to the ones place. So go down to the ones place. The last digit is the ones place. Now look at that. Is that number even or odd? Well, 6 is one of those even numbers, so that means the whole number is even. Okay? And this works for the biggest number you can imagine. I mean, if I had, let's go really big. We'll go 23,580. Okay? That's a big number. So there's no way you're going to draw that number and start circling pairs, right? It would take you forever. So the trick is, again, go to the last digit. It's a 0. Is that even or odd? 0 is an even number. So the whole number is even. Okay? You can come back to this video. If you get confused, watch again. Or if you'd like to draw your own poster of Even Steven and Odd Todd, you can draw your own poster and keep it next to you when you're doing your even and odd assignments. And that way it's right there for you to look at when you need it.